Sarah used to spend 20 minutes every morning getting ready, admiring her reflection as she applied lipstick and fixed her hair. The mirror showed her someone worth loving, someone with plans and dreams ahead. But after the funeral, something changed. She started brushing her teeth while looking down at the sink instead, applied makeup by feel, avoiding her own eyes in the glass. Each day she spent less time facing herself, more time turned away. The woman in the mirror looked like a stranger anyway, hollow and unfamiliar. One Tuesday morning, she couldn't do it anymore. She pulled a bath towel from the rack and draped it over the bathroom mirror. The white terry cloth hung like a funeral shroud, covering what used to be. Now she brushes her teeth in complete darkness, navigating by memory alone. Her fingers find the toothbrush, the faucet, the door handle. She moves through her morning routine like a ghost haunting her own life. The mirror stays covered, mourning the person who used to live there.